to hop on and share with you our ColorSnap rings. You guys, I am so excited about these. These, oh, they are amazing. They can literally change the entire look and feel of your planner literally in like a minute and a half. I am obsessed with them. So our legacy planners come with standard silver 30mm rings, but we have our ColorSnap rings available. These come in a variety of colors. We're adding more. We have some custom Pantone colors. Super excited. So first we have our first batch. We have gloss white, and I installed the gloss white on our Saffiano Pamper Me Pink. I think this is the cutest combination, but any kind of, look at that. I mean, the gold, super pretty. We have so many colors. So this is our gloss white, and they come with matching Chicago screws. They're so easy to install. Literally, you can use a screwdriver. I just hand tighten them down. And for those, you just want to make sure to hold the back right here, because it can spin sometimes. So you can see right here, I just hold the back, and then you just screw it in, and then you can take your little screwdriver or anything you want and kind of just hand tighten it. I hand tighten it because it's just, I mean, it's not going anywhere. So this is our gloss white, and then we have our, oh, look how pretty this is. This is our matte black. It is gorgeous, you guys, so pretty. And it of course comes with the matching Chicago screws. This is installed on our badass beige, which I think is the beautiful color combination. So pretty. And then we have, of course, our gold rings. So pretty. I love this gold. It's not too brassy. It's not too silvery. It's like that perfect, rich gold color. Next we have, oh, look at these. I love this. So pretty. This is our blush pink. And I think this would be so beautiful in our black or our black quilted. Guys, look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. Or even the Parisian pink, even the Saffiano. So gorgeous. And then we have our silver rings, which is so beautiful. These are a little bit more matte silver. If you want, and not that super shiny chrome, it's a little bit more matte. I love these. They're so beautiful. These would work with any planner that uses screws. These will work in. So if you have planner rings that have gaps in it, or you want to change it out, these are perfect for that. And then we have our powder blue. You guys, look how beautiful that color is. I love it. Look with the black. Oh my gosh. It's like completely changes the whole look and the whole feel of your planner within like a minute and a half to change them out. It is amazing. I mean, here's like, look at that, the gold with the beige, gold with the black. I am so in love with these. I think it is so fun and so cute. We have tons more colors coming. We have some awesome custom Pantone colors. Super excited about these. These are our ColorSnap rings. They are 30mm and they're A5. We will be coming out with more sizes and more colors, so definitely be sure to check back. Super excited, and I hope you guys